So this ENLIGHT course starts from an already existing project, that is the prototype of a student housing that we're designing and we will be building in Bordeaux very soon. We chose to do mini challenges every week and regarding each topic that we chose to explore. And the idea is to shift from a passive learning to active learning and to engage students in working on some mini challenges that will build up to the biggest challenge, which is experimental and sustainable student housing. So it was important for us to choose students to work on a student issue that they can personally relate to.
Yeah, for me the most important challenge was the energy issues, especially because of the situation that Europe is facing nowadays with the increase of the costs of energy over all the countries. So focusing on saving energy and using renewable energies in the student housing is something that was important for me.
I really appreciate the practicality of these challenges because since we are all of master's last year students, have had many theoretical knowledges already. Now I think it's really critical to get to action part and to get actual practical parts out of it.
Coaches were always in the group works. If we're being not knowing what to do, they will fill in and guide us and help us when we're stuck, or giving input and ideas so we can go further.
To participate in this type of courses, it's always positive because you apply new methodologies as challenge-based education. Well, I am also learning new concepts to apply and to research on in my investigation.
I really like and enjoy the living lab concept because by having a real experience into the site, we actually think outside the box, how is it in real life, and then we can apply it in the prototype or in the future building that they make.
As a private company, it's a real win-win collaboration for us and for the university. The real value for Archituria is that the students are a real source of ideas, and as a private partner, it's really important for us.
Working with the universities is very important for two reasons. First of all, because Bordeaux is since last year the world capital for social and solidarity economy, and this transition is led by corporations. So cooperating with universities, with citizens, with organizations is very important and useful for this transition. The second reason is also that all the knowledge is in the university. And for all the social transitions, the ecological transitions, but also the democratic transitions, we need things that we don't have in our culture in the local authorities.
It's more about finding their own way and finding problems and solutions to that a step at a time without knowing where you actually end up. So that is actually something that is very, very unique and useful about these kinds of projects, I would say.